Hi everyone, welcome back to the last episode of season 1 of Impacting Lives with Jaspreet. I know it has been a long time, but I was a bit preoccupied for planning for the season 2, which will be coming shortly, so stay tuned. So, today I shall be talking on goal setting. So, what is a goal? Why do you need to set the goal? Just let me begin with how your goals must be. Your goals must be smart, just like you. So, when I say smart, I mean your goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Yes, smart people with smart goals. Smart means this. So, a person must have smart goals, and that improves your goal setting. And friends, a goal without a plan is just a wish. That won't be called a goal until you have a plan. For an instance, where do you want to see yourself from 5 years from now? So that is a goal, long term. A short term goal may even be to acquire a new skill, to learn guitar, to learn tabla, to learn any favorite musical instrument of yours, to improve social networking. Even that is a goal, a short term goal for you. So it is very important to identify your goals. A goal doesn't need to specifically be that you want to become the CEO of a company. No, start with baby steps and definitely you will achieve that CEO goal also sometime later in your life. So let me talk about how can you set your goals. Now, the first step to set your goal is to think about the results. Now just think that in your mind, ask questions to yourself. Where do I want to see post 3 months from now? Right, do that. And the second step to set your goals properly is to create smart goals, which I've already talked of. The third step of setting your goals is to create an action plan. And in that action plan, just write down everything. Write down what is your goal. Is it a short term? Is it a long term? How are you going to plan for it? How are you going to achieve it? And what will be its consequences? And how will that goal help you develop as an individual? The fourth step to set your goal is to create a timeline. Now you know what your goal is and you don't know by when you need to achieve that. So that will just remain a wish until you know the time. So be it 3 months, be it 3 years or whatever you feel like. So create a proper timeline कि मुझे 3 months के अंदर ये goal achieve करना है. So that creates an obligation for you and that helps you not to procrastinate your goals. The next step of setting your goal is to take action. Take action, just find out the consequences which are not helping you to reach your goal, to achieve your goal rather. So create that action plan. And the last step to achieve your goal is reevaluate and reaccess your progress. Just reevaluate from the very beginning, like you had thought about what results you are going to get, how your smart goals are going to be created, how you are going to write down your goals, how you are going to create an action plan, you are going to create a timeline. So just reevaluate everything in your mind and hence that helps you set a goal. So friends, I would just like to say that life without a goal is just like a race without a finish line. You are going on running nowhere. Thank you so much.